Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In today's video we will talk about
how to unhide post on Facebook timeline. So what we'll do is we'll open our Facebook app right here, and then after opening our Facebook app we'll go on our menu, and after going on our menu then we will simply scroll down and we'll click on our settings and privacy. Then we'll click on our settings itself, and then we'll scroll a bit, and then we'll get to see our activity log, and we'll click on it, and then we'll see public tags and all these others activities log, like public tag, public post, and other story activities. So here we'll click on the first option, and we'll scroll all the way down, and here we'll see other activity, and then we'll click on it, and then we'll get to see all of our tagged post and all of these unfollowed your profile that we have hide. So we can simply click on it and on the three dots, and we'll get an option of unhiding it. So yeah, that is how to unhide post on Facebook.